Hey guys, welcome to Legacy Ford in Ponoka once again. My name is Daniel and I've got the true meaning of Beauty and the Beast for you. It's stock number T2388A. This beauty has got a 2-inch leveling kit. It's a 2016 Lariat package, F-350. Come on over and let's take a look at some of the features that we got going on here. Like I mentioned before, we've got the 2-inch leveling kit with the aftermarket rims and tires. We've got blacked out lettering and blacked out mirrors all around. Makes it look really nice. Got tinted windows in the front as well. Let's have a look inside here. Of course, it comes with the usual power door locks, power windows. Comes with a telescoping trailer mirror, so they actually come in and out. So if you're pulling that big trailer, you're able to see, what's going on behind you. It's also got the memory seats. So if you or somebody else is driving, all you got to do is push the button, and it'll go right back to your settings. I'm going to jump on in the other side, and we'll show you a couple other features. So in here we got the trailer brake package. So we got the integrated brake right there, as well as an exhaust brake we got. It's a 4x4. This vehicle comes with heated and power and air conditioned seats. Just over 44,000 kilometers on this big guy. It's a touchscreen navigation as well as radio. And sunroof up top as well too. Back seats do come with, they are heated seats as well. This makes it a little comfier drive for the people in the back. We'll just show you the back. All you got to do is just put your one step in and just climb on in with the handle. Super easy to use. Just unlock it there, push back in, and you're ready to roll. Alright, once again, my name is Daniel. If you have any questions, you can reach us at the Ponoka store at 403-783-5501. Or in the Rimbey store at 403-843-2622. That's all for me. You guys have a great day and let your legacy start here.